Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Binance Convert on Binance web or desktop app. Getting to know how to convert one cryptocurrency to another will save you time and help you take informed decision on which cryptocurrency investments to follow. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very useful and helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel to help me grow the channel faster. Hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new videos. Let's dive in. Today's topic is how to use Binance Convert on Binance web or desktop app to save money. The first thing is you log on to your account. Then when you log on to your account, place your cursor on trade or click on trade. You will see Binance Convert. Click on Binance Convert. When you click on Binance Convert, you will come to this page. Now, this is the page that we are going to use to convert one currency to another. Now, the first thing is to select the token that we have, the token that we want to convert, and the token that we want to buy, token or cryptocurrency. This is the token that I have now. I have this burger. And let's say I want to convert to BUSD, that is Binance USD, the equivalent of a dollar, of a American dollar in Binance. So if I put my burger here, this one is telling me now I can change 1.2. The minimum I can change is 1.2. And so if I put 1.2 there, you can see. Now, it will tell me here the equivalent of this burger in this section of BNB. You can see from burger to BUSD. So let's say if I want to preview the conversion, let's see, tell me that I don't have enough balance. So you can see, yes, it's previewing it. 1.2 burger to 1.01817755 BUSD. Now that's the rate of 1 BNB to USD. The rate of this is one burger is 0.848481 BUSD. 1 BUSD is 1.17858 burger. You can see the payment is going to my spot wallet, as I said. Then the transaction fee, no fee. You can see, very, very important, no fee. So my wallet will receive 1.0181775 BUSD. But because that my account is sufficient. So assuming my account is sufficient, if I refresh this code, so the next thing I will do is I will confirm. So I will confirm. So once I have, assuming I have sufficient fund here, and this code will have, so I will refresh the code. Immediately I refresh the code. So what I will do is that immediately I will click refresh the code, and the next thing is I will click on convert. Let me go through it again so that you know where that from. We want to convert from burger. We are converting, the minimum is 1.2. Now, to see the equivalent of it in BUSD, we click preview conversion. So, preview conversion, this is it. It's going to bring this. So, you can see this is the code, the rate, the inverted rate, the payment to spot wallet, transaction fee, no fee. So, we refresh the code again. So that's what we are getting. So, that's what we are getting. So, if I have sufficient fund here, it will show me where to click on convert to confirm this conversion. So I will click on convert, then the transaction takes less than seconds, and you will see your crypto you bought in your spot wallet, the crypto you just content. Like if I have sufficient burger now, immediately I click on confirm to confirm this convert. So I will receive this amount of BUSD converted, this amount of BUSD converted from burger. So that is how to use a Binance Convert. You can change your token or cryptocurrency here. You see, if it is Polygon Matic that I want to convert, then let's say I want to convert Polygon Matic to DAI. Let me just search for it. DAI stable coin. So you can see I can start converting from 1.1 Matic, and once I do that, I'll click on preview conversion. So when I click on preview conversion to show me the code, I have a sufficient fund to show me to click on convert button. From there, I'll click on convert button and the money will be in my sports wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video to this end. If you like the video or if the video is useful to you, like the video, share the video with your friend and family, and don't forget to comment on the video. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment below. I will answer. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video, you will be informed. The direct link to the convert page, the Binance Convert page, is in the description. Of this video. So please save yourself a stress of clicking. With one click, you can get to this Binance Convert page. Thank you and God bless you.